Welcome to Minexa.ai. Today I'll show you how to scrape financial market data from bseindia.com, turning live stock market tables into clean datasets with ease. Make sure you're on the bseindia.com page, where the stock market data table is fully visible, not a search or landing page. Next, open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension from your browser toolbar to start extracting the data you need. With Minexa open, press the violet button that says I'm on the right page. This lets Minexa analyze the bseindia.com page and detect the financial market data list automatically. Done already. Minexa has completed a full page analysis with no input needed from you, making it simple and fast. Now decide if you want to scrape just the list or go deeper into each stock's detail page for more data. Press Continue to proceed. Choose Advanced if your data requires clicking tabs or filling fields before results appear. Otherwise, Continue works perfectly. The highlighted container is your stock market data table. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa studies this container once, then extracts similar data across all pages. Minexa automatically finds every relevant field like stock name, last price, change, and volume. You simply pick what you need, and this scraper applies those fields every run, ensuring consistent data extraction. For developers, click the API request button to get ready to use Python code so you can integrate the scraper into your existing workflows instantly. Validate the setup with one click on Complete Configuration to finalize your scraper and prepare it for running. Minexa automatically detects the Next Page button for seamless pagination. If no pagination is present, just continue without changes, and your scraper runs through all data. Last step, add a schedule if you want this to run automatically, then create the job to save your scraping setup. Just hit Run, and Minexa starts extracting the stock market data immediately, fetching all pages quickly and reliably. Each field is locked precisely to its position on the page, ensuring consistent extraction across all rows and pages. You get data points like stock symbols, last traded price, percentage changes, and volumes, all cleanly organized for analysis. Hit Export, and your dataset downloads instantly, with every stock's data in a separate row, ready to use in Excel or JSON formats. No technical background is needed to scrape any website with Minexa.ai. Developers benefit from no pre-built catalogs, no manual selectors, and no per-page LLM calls. Try it today at Minexa.ai.